We do have an email from a viewer. Becca asks, I own a small restaurant. Will my business interruption insurance cover the losses we're experiencing because of this virus situation? I know there are so many people just like Becca in this situation right now, having a lot of questions about how they're gonna survive this.
Yeah, I can't tell you how many calls that I've gotten, not only from clients, but from friends. Friends of mine that own restaurants on the Causeway or the Eastern Shore, or you name it, any kind of business that you can think of. My daughter has a good friend that owns a nail salon, and they've been shut down. Essentially, can your insurance, or will you have a claim? Potentially. Now, this is, I haven't seen this much, this crazy type of a situation since the BP oil spill, 10 years ago. However, back then you had a target defendant that you were aiming at, because people were able to show that BP was negligent, and therefore, and again, with all the money that BP has, you were able to show that they needed to pay for the damage. Here it's different. You can't sue the virus, obviously, and so.
Can we get to a caller?
However, if you have a business interruption policy with your insurance, then you may very well have a claim. And what we're seeing right now, and I talked to a doctor buddy of mine today who has a clinic, and he's already been told by his insurance that, well, we don't cover viruses. Well, who's to say they don't cover viruses? Some policies do, some policies don't. And so the bottom line is, if your business has been interrupted and you have a business interruption policy, absolutely 100% you need to speak to someone that can take a look at the policy and decide and guide you whether you're going to have a claim or not. Again, don't take the insurance adjuster's word that you just simply don't have a claim. That's just you need to have an expert take a look at it. And my firm is aligned with a couple of experts that are taking looks at these policies, as are a lot of law firms. But again, get in touch with someone, let them take a look at it before you just let it go.
Yeah, I know you said that your firm is going to be focusing on this area of the law in the months to come to help business owners out.